Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to create design circle. Okay, let's get started into it. So of course, what is design circle? To show you guys, design circle is something like this. Once you're inside AiHouse, you come into here, cloud library. There's one called design circle. Okay, what does this design circle does is, when you press in, you can find other people's circle to join them to use their model or texture. Okay, otherwise, come here for like example. I have what I've joined, circle I've joined will be like, so for example, like models in here. Okay, to show you guys example, I can just take and drop, then I can start use the model already. Okay, then if I have a texture, I can just also apply. Okay, so how to create this? Okay, so from here, your account. Okay, come to your avatar here, press this product. Okay, next you have to upload your model and texture. Okay, so to create model and texture, you have to go back to refer to another video, not here. Alright, so in here is a category. Okay, so this is your model. Okay, so now we go to step 4 to create first. Alright, so you need a model or texture, right? So to create, you press come here, design circle. Okay, like this. So this is everything you have joined. Okay, create by you or join any organization. Okay, or join individual. It will look something like this. Okay, so from here, you press this one called create design circle. Okay, so you create this design circle. So maybe I just say name called anything. Okay, so if your avatar, you just put your avatar. Okay, so you can circle, you just press like okay, once your logo done, so it's welcome to my design circle. Right, something like this. Once you're done, you press save. Okay, so let's for now just name it anything. So from here, you can, as you can see here, is right, not enable and normal. Okay, so to enable, just press into here. Okay, this is your interface, how it look like to create a design circle. Okay, from here you come to setting. As you can see here, you can remodify your name, your avatar, and everything here. All right. So from here is open. So you can ask people join your circle without any trial. So that means people can just join in freely. Okay. So later I will show you these two differences. Okay. Then this is the role permission. Okay. Or the role in here. So for you are the most. This is for give people an administrator, material or library kitchen function. All right. So from here, to allow it to be enabled, you come down here, design circle library, design this one. Okay, just press this one, apply for opening. Once you're on here, so you're able to create anything already. So from here, okay, so your group here is maximum of 500 numbers. All right, to make it enable, you come here, this one, not enable, and then you enable it. Okay, so once you've done everything like this, as you can see, you come back to my circle, so not, it become normal. Okay, then after that you can create your category. Model. If you want to have more category, you can add yourself. Okay, and then texture. Sorry. Press this one. Texture. It's okay. You have one model, one texture. Okay. So how to upload? Okay. Select back here. Production. Model. So this is for the model part. So I just tick like this. Press this triple dot. Press this circle. Okay. Once you're done, So that is my anything in here. So this one, my just now I've created the design circle. Press choose circle. Okay, this is the model I want to I have selected. This is by category. I can select every category I want, and then this is I have shared in design circle. Okay, so for now this is the part here, my model. Press confirm sharing. Okay, where to put just now the model, so I just select this model and then press confirm. Alright, once finished, press close. Okay, so for texture, we come to texture. Okay, select the two texture, press a triple dot, circle. Okay, press this one, press choose circle, press by category. Okay, no need lah, actually just come here. Then press confirm sharing, come to texture. Right, once you're done, you come to a design circle, you can refresh. Or you can press here again. Okay, you come here, as you can see, one is under texture, one is inside model. Okay, then from here we find our own category. Okay, I have to refresh, so I just refresh here. Okay, when I'm in here, just create. Okay, then I come to store. Sorry, not here. Design circle. Then as you can see, anything. Okay, once I press in, this is for my texture. Then this is my model. Okay, so this is how you create and apply your and upload your model and texture. Right. So thank you everyone. Bye.